September 26, 2000 to February 6, 2004. Logo. We start off on the back of a red-white camper with a California license plate which reads, Lazy Dave, on the first half. The camper then moves forward and merges to the left in fast motion viewing the street scene. David Greenwalt Productions is seen on the upper left. Variant. On Angel, the logo is placed at the top and squished as a result, above the Kuzui and Sandollar logos. FX SFX, basically live action, but it's fast forward. Music sounds. We only hear a kid say, Dad, let's go. On Angel, a half-hearted Elvis Presley impersonator says, Thank you. Thank you very much, followed by the sound of tires revving. Availability. Seen on Jake 2.0. Miracles in Seasons 2 and 3 of Angel. 2010s present. Logo. On a black background, an orange feather falls to the center, a la the O Entertainment logo. Once it is placed, the words, Wild Canary animation, in the Times New Roman font shines. FX SFX, Flash animation. Music, sounds, the closing theme, or none. Availability. Current. April 13, 2011 to February 17, 2015. Logo. There's a red carpet background with a picture of a castle. Suddenly, a trumpet with a flag in it comes out. The flag appears to be turquoise with the words, FanFare. Variant. Sometimes, this would be paired with the shark versus bear logo. FX SFX. The trumpet suddenly popping out the flag. Music, sounds. The sound of a kid mocking a ta-da, and as he says it a short, ta-da, tune is played at the same time. Variant. Sometimes, this would be paired with the shark versus bear logo. FX SFX. The trumpet suddenly popping out the flag.